high maintenance a little bit, but not in a negative way. I just like extremely expensive things.
Butterfly nigga can't even see me on way out of here. I'm too far to see. A little better than Cassie. Popping on shoes and she calling me daddy. Walking on shit, turn it up and I guess.
Hey loves, it's Renee and welcome back to my channel. It's finally maintenance week. I know all the girls are super excited for Valentine's Day, including me. So let's get right into today's video.
You know, like, do you love me? Do you want me? Are you gonna call me like you said you would? Is this really your real phone number?
Some of y'all go get washed, some of y'all just go pop shit, some of y'all just go talk, but none of y'all ain't really got shit, some of y'all just look lost. I get this type of feel you ain't accustomed to. I swear I'll be at peace if it weren't for you, yeah, yeah. I only want your love if it's solid. But if you fuck me, then fuck you. And that's the way I like it. That's the way I like it. Yeah, that's the way I like it. Gonna smile behind these bitches. That's the way I like it. When I'm down in front of these niggas. That's the way I like it. I'm 30 for 30, I'm 30 for 30, I'm 30 for 30, I'm 30 for 30. Chat. Should they fold that bitch no yoga mat? Chat. Should they dare that nigga don't hit me back? Chat. Should ran that nigga no questions asked. Chat, chat, they chatting, they chat. When the sun go down, everything made me feel lonely. Had a little sad thing, but right now it's just a hold me. Try to feel good, it's hard enough, don't wanna hold me. Hype me up, you give me hype, you my favorite coach, compress the line. Fuck you, shut up, that's my only right. I switch it up, when you tell me if I'm feeling fine. I run it up, risk it all like I'm rolling dice. Taking it all, that's my second life. That's me, passed out on the nigga backseat. Cast out on the backseat beach. Oh yeah,
Yo,
my butt.
I was rushing so bad, per fucking usual. Cause I was supposed to talk to y'all before I went and got my nails done, but I'm back or whatever. So, hair is, I love my hair. I love me some long straight hair, like. But yeah, y'all, this was kind of the inspiration right here. I had seen this on Pinterest, and I was like, let me do something with this. Too cute. On my pinky, they are so cute. I thought they was perfect for Valentine's Day. Like, every time I get my nails done, I don't be wanting to take them off because they be so cute. Like, they be so cute every time. Like, nail tech be eating down. All I gotta say. My hair had got done last night. I did my hair last night, and then today, that's when I went to go get my nails done. My appointment was at 11:40 a.m. My lash appointment is not until February 8th. Like, that's when I'm gonna go get my lashes done. I'm gonna take y'all with me when I go get my lashes done. I'm ready to find me something to eat. Like, I really want Chipotle, but I feel like I shouldn't get Chipotle, but like, why not? All of my stuff that I ordered already came. So I ordered me a dress, I ordered me some heels. I'm gonna show y'all the dress though, because the dress is so cute. But I'm gonna be back in a couple days or something. Hey y'all, so I am back. It's like a few days later, February 4th. I tried it on already, but I wanted to try it on for y'all low-key, but I was like, nah, y'all gotta stay tuned for the Valentine's Day vlog. It's see-through right here in the middle part. It's a strapless dress. Yeah, it is so cute. In the back, it ties up in the back, so it's like a little laced up in the back. And it's cute. I got me some heels from Fashion Nova. I had just got some regular, I barely wear heels. I really need to grow the fuck up, but I wear them on occasions, but these just some regular kind of, it's gonna go cute with the dress. I thought this was so cute. It's a one piece, so this is the top, and then the bottom, it's like shorts. If y'all watch my New York prep vlog and like, or my New York City vlog, you will know that this right here, This hoodie right here, I ordered it on, if y'all can see the date at the top, it say November 13th. It just got here February 3rd. Today is the 4th. It got here yesterday. And he was like really playing in my face like that. It just took too long. Like he was false advertising how long it was going to take, because he said 10 days. So I was like, yeah, this shit gonna come before my trip to New York or whatever. Like, this is so cute. Like, the top got rhinestones. The zipper kind of like slanted. So yeah, the jacket was really cute. What was blowing me, it just took so long. Let me try this on. Can't even cap it on. The jacket is real cute. Let me put the hood on. The hood giving big. I fuck with it, I don't know. I think this is so cute. But yeah, that's really about it. I just wanted to show y'all real quick. But everything is so cute. I don't know, y'all. Let me know. I don't know if I should keep my hair straight when I wear the dress, or I was thinking this, because the dress giving like cutesy lace, blah 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 blah. Thinking, what if I crimped my hair, did some crimps, and then I still got those like small black bows, and what if I wore that? Y'all think that would be cute? I don't know. I honestly just cannot wait to get my lashes done. Like, I'm so ready to get my lashes done. Like, I don't know. I'm finna just go chill and shit like that. Probably get some editing done. Probably start, you know, doing all of that shit. I'm gonna bring y'all with me to my lash appointment, and we go do some, you know, we go do some at-home self-care and stuff like that. But I seen people do it without flour too. I'm gonna do it without flowers. Cut it. And then you just fry it. They look good. So we'll cook those.
I kinda love everybody, but you isn't anybody. You look at me different, so I let you see my body. Body. Now we gon' take it all. Now I'll be ready, still it was worth it. I would do it again. I kinda love everybody, but you isn't anybody. You look at me different, so I let you see my body. Body. Now we gon' take it all. Now I'll be ready, still it was worth it. I would do it again. I kinda love everybody, but you isn't anybody. You look at me different, so I let you see my body. Body. Now we gon' take it all. Now I'll be ready, still it was worth it.
My heart is hard to carry after dark. Y'all to blame for what we could have been, cause look at what we are.
I finally finished doing my eyebrows and dermaplaning my face. It's about 7 o'clock right now. My nail appointment is at 10 a.m. I got a couple hours until I gotta go get my lashes done or whatever. So what I'm finna do is I'm ready to make me some breakfast. I think I'm gonna eat French toast or something. I don't really know. I'm gonna talk to y'all when I'm at the place to get my lashes done. Like, bye.
Cause look at what we are. Your friends are scared to tell you you went too far. Funny that it's always been all about you from the start. I met someone new last night and we kicked it, and I'm going.
Okay, so I am back home and it's 1 o'clock. They is so cute, y'all. Like, they is super cute. Mind y'all, but mind y'all, the first time I got my lashes done, I was scared to get my lashes done this time, because the last time I got my lashes done, I wasted my fucking money, because I went there and I was getting my lashes done, and I was getting a wispy set or whatever. Not to call her a bitch or whatever, but the bitch sat right there. She gave me some boneless ass lashes. Like, she really did. I think I'm gonna put a picture like right here or something. And her excuse was because my lashes was curly. Yeah, I really just wanted to show y'all my lashes. I am so fucking hungry and I'm low-key sleepy. Like the last time I got my lashes done, I fell asleep, but this time for some reason I could not go to sleep. I think it was because she had that TV on, like the baby interview or something like, and I was just listening, so I guess I couldn't go to sleep. But one more time for the lashes. Mwah. I can't wait to get like fully cute and put on an outfit and last thing, because I'm ready to end the vlog. I ain't even go lie, because it was really the last thing I had to do was get my lashes done. But I love y'all so much. I know the girls. I know it's maintenance week for all of the girls. So I just hope y'all had a great maintenance week. I hope y'all feeling real cute, real sexy. I hope y'all got some cute outfits. Hope you got y'all hair done, nails, lashes. I already know that y'all are eating down. Hearts. Love y'all so much.